Most people think all prepaid mobile carriers are the same, but the surprising truth is that Leica Mobile USA has its own strengths and weaknesses worth knowing before you sign up. Leica Mobile operates on major U.S. networks, providing nationwide coverage, which is great for travelers or users who move around frequently. Their plans start at just $19 per month, including unlimited talk and text with various data options. That's competitive for a prepaid carrier. You won't believe what happens next. Leica Mobile allows international calling and data roaming at low rates, which is excellent if you need to stay connected to friends and family abroad. Most people get this wrong by assuming standard prepaid plans include affordable international calling. Leica Mobile makes it easy and transparent. The mobile app is simple for managing your plan, topping up credit, or checking data usage. Speeds are generally good, especially on 4G LTE, but 5G coverage is limited compared to bigger carriers like Verizon or AT&T. So if you're looking for ultra-fast mobile internet, that's a trade-off. One drawback is that customer service can be slow at times, and some users report challenges with SIM activation or porting numbers. The surprising truth is that while Leica Mobile is cost-effective, you may need patience for support issues, especially if you are switching from another carrier. In conclusion, Leica Mobile USA is ideal for budget-conscious users, international callers, or travelers in the U.S. who don't need the fastest speeds. It offers strong coverage, flexible plans, and affordable rates, but customer service limitations are something to keep in mind. Subscribe for more honest mobile operator reviews before you commit to your next plan.